How to manage security and errors notifications on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage security and errors notifications on Google Chrome mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Google Chrome and then click these 3 points here, and now click settings and then go down and you will find this one here, notifications. Click on it and then all you need to do is just go down and you should find this one here, security and errors. If you want to turn it off, just click here and then click this one, and as you see, where is it, security and errors has been turned off. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.